Hello, long time no speak, eh? Here I am, can't believe it. The camera in hand, speaking out loud. It's been a hot minute since we picked this camera up, but here we are, brand new location, brand new house. A lot has been going on in the past 6 months since I last filmed anything. Reason being for picking the camera up today is I think I'm having a slight midlife crisis, which has led me to this, but I'm just going to document it along the way because hey ho, we'll look back at this in a few years and say, Casey, remember when you were doing all this and we had a breakdown? I'm starting off with number one. I've got acrylics put on. Who is she? Haven't had acrylics for about 3.5 years. We'll go with hair bleached. Got a few highlights. Always said I'd never dye my hair again. Here we are with dyed hair. I'm about to leave the house to go and pick up a new puppy. You heard right, a brand new puppy. This is the spare bedroom where we're currently staying in at the moment. Should have seen the absolute state of the house before we moved in. We're going for half up, half down today because it's hair wash day tomorrow. Like Obi for his last walk as a single child. Oh my god. We're going to pick up a new puppy. What on earth am I doing? Being persuaded into doing this, and I said that we weren't going to do it. Good luck, me. The idea of taking on another finance of getting a puppy is a great idea. And I don't even have a carpet. See, I don't even have a bedroom. This is the spare bedroom. This is my bedroom, which has just been plastered and painted. However, this is not finished. And it's just been put on hold. So, we can get a puppy. What a brilliant idea. Brilliant idea. Son, you ready to be big brother? Where are you going? Where are you going? This is nearly finished, the living room. Apart from we're getting rid of the yellow. Obi's room, on the other hand, is still very granny-ish, isn't it? In the bed. Good boy. Son. See you soon, son. Nearly there. You nervous?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
We're about to pass the wedding venue where we're about... I say we're about to get married. We're not about to get married. We'll get married in 2 years. Well, a year and a half.
Yeah, well, we've been engaged for a year and that went in about like 2 seconds. So.
Cool. Can you believe that we've been engaged for a year? That means I have not videoed anything for the past year. Oh, that's where the wedding venue is. Up there. Well, you can't really see it, can you? But anyways, up there. So I'm getting married on the 29th of August 2023. This lovely human, love of my life, baby daddy to the second. Not real babies, dog babies. We're not having any real babies. Not for a very, very long time. If it doesn't happen, we've got 2 boys now. Who will keep us occupied. Sure.
And then we'll get a third next year.
No, we're not getting any more. The house is too small.
Yeah, but when we extend.
Yeah, but we're not extending.
It's in the video, that guy that's got like 5 German Shepherds. Well, like the black German Shepherds.
No, but I bet you these people don't have jobs or they get paid.
Well, he's a TikToker, he just like walks around on his dogs.
Well, there you go. Unless you want to become a TikToker.
No.
Exactly, you hate anything to do with that. Oh, God. Stanley.
Stanley, who's that? Is that your mum?
Say hello. Hello, son. You're so cute.
He's a stinky boy.
You smell? You smell? Oh. Hi, son. You ready to see your brother? Huh? Come on, then. Come and see him. Who's this? What was that? So Stan will play with a toy, and then Obi will come over and steal Stan's toy. Don't you? Yeah, but you're not at the minute because we know that me and you are going for a walk. Dad and Stan are going to stay here. And we're going to go and see Walter. We're going to see Walter.
I don't want that.
Yo, what the hell happened to you?
Oh, don't look at me. Look, it is. You know what I need? I need some blood. Can you get me some blood, Jay? First, you gotta tell all the territories. He's clearing the board. Victor did this. His girls did this. You know the one.
Hello, Willie.
Hello.
Have I got you out of bed very early?
Yes.
I missed a man. All the boys. Say morning, Obi. I decided to wake the boys up this morning. Just to further the midlife crisis and do a sea dip. As you can see, the sun is ever so slightly starting to rise. I feel like I'm going to come out with hypothermia this morning, but never mind. All for the good of the brain. So, let's go.
Never ever go to the beach with 2 dogs under the age of 1 while trying to hold a camera for a partner and friends because they've seen it. Like, ever. Just not worth it.
Oh my god! We did it! Oh my god, that was so flipping cold! Well done, Amy! Yeah! What an experience at 7:30! It's so cold! Thanks, Willie! Back home now with all 3 boys. How was that, Willie?
Stressful. And I had 2 dogs that are like 1 and under. But I was very proud of you.
Oh, thanks, Willie.
I'm not sure I could have done it, especially when you were awake at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Me awake at 4 AM and then getting up and doing a sea dip at 7. But I'm all showered, even though I've just put this jumper back on. It was clean on this morning anyways. I'm going to go to the gym later, so I haven't washed my hair. So I just went in the shower just to get the sand off us. I'm going to have some breakfast. The boys have eaten.
McDonald's?
No McDonald's. Maybe McDonald's. I'm easily influenced when it comes to McMuffins. Oh, right. I need to go and eat some food. A bloody long day. Please excuse my kitchen, which has not been renovated yet. It's absolutely disgusting. Yeah, I've just trained. Arms, good sesh. Really worked myself hard today. And then I went Aldi. I picked up some of these. These are my absolute favourite things ever. So I'm going to put some food away and then make some tea, eat some of these, and then I'm probably gonna chill with the boys and go to bed. Not a lot going on other than what we've already been up to, which has been busy. So I'm gonna love you and leave you there. Hope you enjoyed this really bizarre video, and hopefully I'll see you before 6 months. Bye, 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 bye.